Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro Max here that was just released about a week ago, and we finally got our hands on one so we can unbox it for you guys as promised here. Here I also have the Sierra Blue and the Gold edition of it. Now, the 13 Pro, this is the fifth color that was introduced, which is really surprising for the Pro model considering that Apple generally just used to have 4 different colors now and one with the fifth one, which is going to surprise everyone, and that's why we're doing this review for you guys in this unboxing. So hopefully you guys can enjoy and gonna see, take a look at the color comparison as well here. So you'll notice here the box here, like the other one, the other Pro Maxes that we've seen, it has that same design box. Now the green here tells us that it's going to be a darker shade of green, which is that at Alpine green color. And you'll notice here the box here has green on it across the board here, and then here as well. So you'll see, notice a couple of the similar things here, the Pro Max here, the actual label of it. And then if we go ahead and take a look at this, as you can see here, 13 Pro Max, Alpine Green, 256 gig model. This one is not the base one. This is the upgraded storage. So you're going to be paying around $11.99 plus tax, of course. So a little bit more expensive, close to $1,200. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing here. So we'll go ahead and take that first seal off and then go from the bottom here. We're going to take that bottom seal off as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little ASMR, and you can see here, go ahead and take it off. And as you see here, you can see initially in the box here, the color, again, that darker shade of green, almost forced color green, as you see here in the box. Just a close look at it. Again, those cameras, huge cameras that they have. And then taking it out of the box here, and as usual, just the USB-C cable and then the instruction pamphlet with the SIM ejector tool. Now if you need this tool, you can always use a paper clip on it, but that's what you get. And then you get that Apple sticker and then the warning as well. So that aside, we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the box. You don't get that wall adapter any longer, or the headphones as well. So here, as you notice here, the green one, we'll notice overall the color of it, shiny green across the board here. And then the green up here, the sides are pretty much a reflective green if you're to describe that. So that's kind of the green that we see on this device here. Now let's go ahead and, as you can see here, the 5G. Now you're going to go ahead and take off that and go ahead and power on the device here. And it is powering on like it should. And as you can see, the hello animation just popped up there, and we can swipe it up and we can pretty much go ahead and set this device up. Now if you need to put your SIM card in, it's going to be on your left hand side right here. You're going to make sure you use that SIM ejector to pop it in, put a new SIM card in if a SIM card didn't come with your device, and then you can go ahead and set up. You don't need a SIM card, obviously. You can also just simply use it on Wi-Fi if you don't want phone service. Alrighty, and we're just putting our demo Wi-Fi info so that we can go ahead, go through the process and set this device to the home screen. And then we're going to take a color comparison between the gold and the Sierra Blue. You can also get this in graphite and also silver as well. So those are the other options. So 5 different colors to choose from. The green, unique in a lot of ways. Again, really just surprised that Apple has introduced a 5th color, because the 12 lineup didn't include a 5th color, and generally you don't see the variety of color with the Pro model. Usually the regular 12 we saw in 6 different finishes, just like the 11 as well, but not the Pro model. So again, really surprising that Apple decided to actually make this, considering that there was sort of a shortage across the board earlier this year when we saw with not being able to get an Apple iPhone, the new 13, because of shortage in their supply overall, or you had to wait a really longer time than generally had to. So here, as you can see, like in any other phone, this is running on iOS 15, the latest version of it, ready to go, and you can pretty much go ahead and use this device by signing into your Apple ID, and you're good to go. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick comparison with the gold one here. So the gold one, you'll notice here, we have it in the box as well here. So the gold one, you'll notice here, this is the Pro edition, not to get confused why it looks a little bit smaller, because that's just a regular Pro. We didn't have a Pro Max at hand, so we're just going to give a comparison between these. So that's the color gold, and let's go ahead and finally go with the blue here, the Sierra Blue. This is a Pro Max here, and look at that here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the new Alpine Green iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we want to hear from you guys which of these are your favorite color. Do you guys like the green or you don't? And then compared to the other 4 colors, which one would you choose or considering buying or actually have? Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.